Anne-Marie Metten, and I'm the Executive Director at historic Joy Kogawa House. This is a 1912 heritage house built in the Marpole neighborhood at a boom time by a Scottish Canadian named Robert Mackey. This is the childhood home of author Joy Kogawa, one of, in my opinion, Canada's most important writers. She lived in this house from 1937 to 1942, which is in the beginning of the Second World War, or Canada's declaration of war against Japan. She and her family were sent to incarceration camps. This house was her memory of a better time before the war. It was a place she longed to return to. Joy described that in her novel, Obasan, published in 1982, and one of the first stories to come out of the Japanese Canadian community to tell the story of the internment. The opening line of that novel is, "There is a silence that must be heard," and Joy described her experience as a child. And everyone in Canada read that novel. It brought history to life.